Wagi bilang Mr. and Miss Philippines Europe Goodwill Ambassador na ginanap sa Berlin sina Samantha Jane Boucher at Yannick Weber. May report si Grace Sheila Bicker.
Confident at palaban ang mga kandidato at kandidata ng Mr. and Miss Philippines Europe Goodwill Ambassador. Sa opening number pa lang, bigay todo na. Nagpakitang gilas sila sa talent portion, swimsuit at cocktail gown competition. Rumampa sila suot ang eleganteng Filipiniana gowns na likha ng kilalang fashion designer na si Cora DJ Manimbo na pinopromote ang Philippine indigenous materials.
We shout out to the world what makes us unique and proud. We have beautiful designs. We have to not let them die.
Kinoronahang Miss Philippines Europe Goodwill Ambassador si Samantha Jane Boucher na nanalo rin sa Best in Swimwear at Miss Talent. First runner-up at Miss Photogenic si Cristel de Guialonde. Second runner-up si Marie Joyce Tsao. Third runner-up at Best in Cocktail si Jenilyn Andaya Olstein. Mr. Talent at winner ng Mr. Philippines Europe Goodwill Ambassador si Yannick Weber. First runner-up and Mr. Friendship at Best in Barong na si Mark Anthony Pelapio. Second runner-up, Best in Cocktail at Best in Swimwear si Arwin Jorin Aranda Vinhold. Third runner-up at Mr. Photogenic naman si Sven Heineken.
We just can be like an inspiration and role model for the young generation.
Nagpasalamat ang Miss Philippines Germany and Youth Cultural Group e.V. at Maharlika e.V. Berlin Associations sa lahat ng sumuporta sa kanila. Ang mga nanalo ay lalaban sa Mr. and Miss Body Shots Philippines ngayong 2014. Para sa Balitang Europe, Grace Sheila Pickert, Berlin, Germany.